All right, guys, we got a 2015 Hemi Ram 6.4 liter Power Wagon beast of a truck. It's gonna sound phenomenal. What we got done on it, it has stock converters, beasts, huge converters, one there, then it wires into a single 3.5 inch. Then somebody dropped it down to 3 inch before us and put this muffler on it. Flowmaster 40 series. But the guy said it's too quiet. So you know what we do? We like to make everything loud. So we put a Y pipe in its place and reuse his tailpipes. Try to save him some money. They still got some meat on them. And put a new hanger on it that was broke there and there. And I'm gonna try and talk them to come back and put new, bigger tips on it next. Those tips are too small. We need to put some 6 inch on this Ram. But it's beautiful, man. It really came out nice. That's how you straight pipe these, with a Y pipe. Right there. So it's a Power Wagon Hemi 6.4 liter. Oh, much better. Again. There's sound decibels. Again. It peaked at 116. Again. Hemi. Come get you some, right? If you guys like the sound, hit that like button. It helps with the YouTube algorithms for us. Keeps us growing. And if you really like it, throw us a comment. Look at that paint job too, it's cool. I like it. You like it? It's not too loud either.
No, it's just gonna get that little bit extra meat on it.
Yeah, it just gives you that beef, you know? I love it. Hemi Power Wagon 6.4 liter. One more. Oh yeah. Let you guys hear on the inside. Ram 1500 Power Wagon. Or maybe 2500. Looks 15 though. Straight pipe. Wow. Nice. Hope you guys enjoyed it.